G'day and welcome to Adam's Uke Lessons, the YouTube channel where I discuss tips, tricks and techniques to help you with your playing. Today I thought I'd take the opportunity to go through at least one version of all major and minor chords. I know there's a school of thought that says you shouldn't be learning chords unless you're commonly using them, but I figure if you don't learn the chords, then you certainly won't be using them. Some of these chords may be a bit difficult to finger, but look at it this way. If you introduce them into your playing routine, it makes playing the less difficult chords seem a lot easier. I'm going to go through them in chromatic order. It probably makes more sense to practice them in a cycle of fifths, which I'll discuss in a future lesson. Go through the majors first. C, D flat, D, E flat, E, or you could use the E that we discussed in a previous lesson, F, F sharp, G, A flat, or you can use this A flat, A, B flat, B, now the minors, C minor, D flat minor, D minor, E flat minor, E minor, F minor, F sharp minor, G minor, A flat minor, A minor, B flat minor, B minor. Some of these you may not use very often, but you may use the shape to play other chords, particularly if you're going to delve further into chord melody technique. For instance, you might not play an A flat very much, but you might want to play a C up there to fit in with an arrangement. It might take you a while to absorb all those fingerings, but if you go through them all every time you pick up your uke, I think you'll find that in no time you'll be getting through them all quickly without even thinking about it. Okay, so that's it for now. Until next time, happy uking.